Are you struggling to configure NGINX to proxy pass requests based on the content of the request body? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many users face when setting up NGINX. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your server configuration doesn't work as expected. It can feel like you're chasing your tail, trying to get everything just right. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why isn't my NGINX configuration working to proxy pass based on the request body content?" They provided a configuration snippet and a sample request body that includes an application ID. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong? NGINX can be a bit tricky when it comes to conditional proxy passing based on request body content. The issue often lies in how NGINX processes the request body and the conditions you've set. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To begin solving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the NGINX configuration is set up correctly. The user should start by checking the syntax of their existing configuration file. Next, the user should modify the NGINX configuration to properly handle the request body. The current setup uses an if statement, which can lead to unexpected behavior. Instead, we will use a map directive. After setting up the map, the user should update the location block to use this variable. This will allow NGINX to conditionally proxy requests based on the presence of app ID in the request body. Finally, the user should restart NGINX to apply the changes. This can be done by running a simple command in the terminal. Once NGINX has restarted, the user can test the setup by sending a request with the specified request body. They should verify that the request is correctly proxied to the intended server. Fun fact, did you know that NGINX was originally created to solve the C10K problem? That's the challenge of handling 10,000 concurrent connections. Talk about ambitious. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue may arise because the request body variable might not be available when the if statement runs. To address this, the user recommends using Lua support or compiling NGINX with the Echo module to utilize the Echo request body feature. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the NGINX if request body module. This approach allows for more complex proxy configurations based on the request body content. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your regular expressions and test your configurations in a staging environment before going live. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to configure NGINX to proxy pass based on request body content successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.